Yes. So, I don't know, sir, One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand about it? Yeah, so in this episode of Days of Our Life, we see Hautotube come with some very intimate details of what's going on or what went on between Chuckhead, Chuckstar, and Tavii Zoey, aka Batija. You understand what I say? So yeah, yo, here I know real quick. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I understand I deal with Negus_IMARA. I don't know, so yo, I one family we said, oh, yeah, man, make sure to follow me on the gram. Yeah, man. So we say Hautotube got to release that video. You see me? I see the video on the original page where I have everything on. You see me? But then now, I try to download it and I say I couldn't download. So I say, oh, go on. I try it tomorrow. When tomorrow come, I say, yo, the video gone. I say, yo, John, I can't believe the video gone. I'm going to grab the video. No. You see me? And then now, I see the dog live on the gram in the morning. So I say, yo, dog, go on the video, dog. So you get take down of a new page. Hautotube vlogs. Make sure say, when you go to Hautotube vlogs, you understand? And I got talk to him about it, but because my sister the video never monetized, I say, all right, then YouTube now gonna take it down because them just take off the monetization because it look like somebody in the video get Backaz. Yes, alone Backaz, rapid burst. You understand what I say? Yes, so we got some know where I say, oh, I have to watch a video. I did watch a little piece of it. Look like somebody I get a nice little Backaz, you understand? But anyway, I'll just drop in the video, I understand, real quick. Drop in the video real quick. Ladies and gentle G's, on this episode of Days of Our Life, we have Backaz from Chuckhead.
What's going on, guys? You know it's your boy Hautotube, aka Kirkright TVJ News. Right now, it come like a cement YouTube where I'm gonna mix. Cause I don't understand how I can put up a video which is booming 33,000 views in about 5 hours. I am gonna just take it down like that.
Yeah, man, cause I have
what kind of dirty style that?
Explicit.
What kind of style that? What kind of dirty style that?
Trouble!
Eh? I cement to the one man go mix, man. I know video the one man make. Cause you can't see young Utah driver, get a Utah driver and just fling down him video so. On top of that, I go give me a strike in front of me eye.
Jaja.
I don't even know if this a video I can upload an idea.
Jaja.
Eh? What do one man do? Eh? When one man go dig dirt and plant can. I must that one man do.
Alright, get to that story now, brother.
I don't even know ya, man. Come and blur video. You can't see nothing in the video. Yet still, them a charge me for nudity and sex content or something like so.
Oh.
On top of that, I go text me about. We know this might be disappointing. Then wait though.
Oh.
You can't enjoy it. No most disappointing. 33,000 views in about 3, 4, 5 hours.
Jaja.
YouTube, just text me and tell me son want the youth to go mix, man. Just text me and tell me that. You don't have to just take down if you do so. It's simple.
Yeah.
Type up an email.
Okay.
Hautotube.
So you see that video? That video is not the video where I put up yesterday. It's a different. He might talk about the video where I put up where I get blocked for and strike for.
Would I feel better? Feel see actually you not tell me say find something else. The YouTube now work out. But for someone to just jog down my videos after how much thousand views. First I want me kick back and me say alright. Boom, but 15,000 views. Let's see those. This now play. Me say alright, that check you go fat, man. Eh? I'm gonna be laughing my way to the bank. What's it there? We just make you to go bank for nothing.
Youth, get to the Bumbaras Clot store and I want to youth. I want to Hautotube.
Was leaked with
Bill youth before you get killed youth.
and Chuck. I'm gonna post it on my story. I'm going to post it on my story, so you can go over to my Instagram at HAUTOTUBE, same way like how you spell on the channel. I'm going to watch it if you don't want to see it.
Yeah.
This morning, me get up. You know why next thing will piss me off too? This morning, me get up. Me get up and see me DM round.
Yeah.
Nobody now say how they do, good morning, good evening, good night, happy midnight. Cause some man me know in a midnight to see video, you know. You see what I say? Nobody now say good as me wake up. First day me say, send me the video with Tavii Zoey and Chuckstar. What the video with Tavii Zoey and Chuckstar?
Everybody wants.
But 300 of them, you know. So me if you sit down and send 300 people one video. And some me not have nothing to do. Uncle, good morning, uncle. YouTube like them one man go mix cement, you know, uncle. Cause them take down me 33,000 views now, 5 hours, uncle, and them take down your video, you know. So even like a cement you them one man go mix. As me I say, I go post the video up on my Instagram.
Yeah.
Nobody do not text me and ask me about this video again, okay?
Yeah.
Please. And people, as me telling you in the last video, do not mix me. I do not know if the video is real or fake. When you see that the last clip, if you don't watch the video before when I asked Chuck said him no know nothing about the video. Okay? So please do not mix me.
Alright, so now like 2 another episode I could have stay.
I was wondering still, is there anybody who want nobody to mix man? You see what I say? You don't want to teach the youth how to mix man, because like YouTuber want that, they want me do. So me just have to use my means and find way to live, because obviously video making I don't mind. You see what I say? Right now, to want me see it, see that I'm going to mix cement, I'm carry cement bucket. You see what I say? Swing to a cement bucket, go up on the side, man. I'm not feel like I can manage them bucket there. Feel like I can, you see what I say? Yeah, man. Feel like I got that for go out. How they like call me? As me I say, me
The
just
man always I get called when time I record content, you know.
Them so them a fall for the studio that now. Them down at the next yard. So anyways, as me they saying guys, I'ma post the video over upon me Instagram story. Pray to God say Instagram my text me and tell me to my Instagram account, God. You see what I say? So people who can go and go over upon my story, not my page. You will not see no sex tape on my friggin' page. You're crazy. You have sense? Check my story. I'll post the video on my story, the full video. And see what I say? Hopefully, we pray to God. Then I take it down. Anything else to say?
Yeah, anything else to say, Otto?
I know nothing else to talk about. All I say is I am very disappointed in YouTube, because I actually thought YouTube was somewhere where you can create. You see what I say? And I came and I created a video as I get to youth. And I think that YouTube would push it. Instead, them take down the video. Take it down completely. Now where you left me for do? Rap, I mix cement. Nothing else. Anyways, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. This is what I say. Wanna comment down below and watch me do on the channel. For now, until my music start booming. I decide some more and drop some songs. Okay? Big up on yourself. I'm very disappointed in you got in YouTube. I'm feel that you help me with it, I'm feel that someone will report the video. I just have a strong feeling. My name is Hautotube, aka Kirkrai TVJ News. And this is the end of the news segment. And we all end it by saying, Sparking Studios.
Alright, so that is Hautotube there explaining how him, almost losing page and get a strike against him and the video was removed. So the video that I thought we were going to see was the video that him post on him original channel, but that's not it. That video they got deleted and him get a strike against him account. As him, he only get 3 strikes. So it's unfortunate so the dog get a strike for that, I feel away because I say something to him, but because my sister the video never monetized, I just lower the camera and say, alright, YouTube not go bad right then. But I should have still say something to him. But I tell him, say, yo, bro, take down that, bro. Because, brother, YouTube, them get super strict with them guidelines right now, brother. You see me? I lose a page already. Like that page is not my original page. My original page gone. That page where you see me build up now. Remember me tell you. Crazy. But, yo, the episode I could have stayed still, but apparently the reason why the episode and the artist is because it's not drama. I'm just talk about OM page gone, because the video will show my girl I get some hot Backaz. You see me? Boo! You see me? Balling and beer things. So they must say Tavii Zoey, but Chuckstar deny Chuckstar say no know what go on. You see me? So me no know. Make me know what you think. You understand me? I deal in that one nation and Imara nation. I know.